Hello, welcome to Willie's Corner. It is now time for your daily bread, endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. There is one body and one Spirit, just as you were called in one hope of your calling, one Lord, one faith, one baptism. Ephesians chapter 4, verses 3 to 5. We are one, but it does not take long to see that Christianity is not unified. We have dozens of denominations, infamous divisions, and theological disputes. Jesus prayed earnestly in John chapter 17, verses 20 to 23, that we would be made one with him as he is one with the Father. German theologian Rupertus Meldenius made this insightful statement in the early 17th century. In essentials, unity; in non-essentials, liberty; in all things, charity. Where the Bible makes clear commands, essentials, let's unify. Where the Bible doesn't really command, non-essentials, let's allow for people to follow their conscience. However, in all things, love must rule our hearts and actions toward other Christians. The early church was also divided. Early Christians, like Christians today, were baptized into one faith, but behaved badly toward one another. In the same way, the church is a divided church today. This division among Christians is due to our lack of conformity to Christ. We must learn to live with one another in love as we all progress in our sanctification. Lord, help me to love always, give liberty where it is needed, and hold fast to the fundamentals of my faith. Amen. Everyone, have a blessed day.